Mirror now has access to an exclusive video which shows Deep Sidhu, the actor turned activist, running away from Red Fort. As per the video, the farmers identified him and chased him, after which he fled on his bike. Now that's the information coming in here. Deep Sidhu is being accused of instigating the violence at Red Fort. Alok Singh joining us live with more input. So Alok, this is the information that you're sharing with us. We have that exclusive video, which we are of course going to play out. Now, what is the meaning of this? What do we make of this video? Talk us through the visuals that we have accessed. How does it implicate Deep Sidhu?
See, there are two things about this. Deep Sidhu is one of the prominent Punjabi film actor, and in fact, he's a resident of Muktsar, a very prominent area of Punjab. He was involved in this protest, and from the day one, what we can say. When he indulged in the protest, when he started doing the protest, in fact, many farmers organizations were not happy with his involvement in the protest, because he was having some violent ideology, and in fact he used to provoke the people as well. Provoked youths of Punjab to go towards Delhi and indulge in violence. That is why he was in fact being criticized during the time of the protest by various farmers unions organizations as well. So that is what the video is. In fact, if you see in the video, that he was caught by some of the people from the protesters itself, and those people who were not happy with his intention, those people who are not happy with him, they are chasing him. And in fact, he was chased for few meters. Then he took a bike, and on the motorbike he ran away. So definitely on the motorbike he ran away. His intention was wrong, and in fact there is the videos have also surfaced on the social media where he is seen hoisting flags of his unions, and in fact he is also belonging to one of the farmers unions, which is called Bharti Kisan Union Sidhupur. This is the union he is belonging to. What was his particular role? That is being investigated by the police, because his name is being cropped up since yesterday. Since yesterday evening, there are various organizations of the farmers, those who are protesting at various borders. They are naming him as one of the person who was involved in the violence at the Red Fort, and he instigated the mob to come to Red Fort and do the violence and indulge in the violence. So definitely he's one of the main accused. He will be the one of the main accused in this violence that happened at Red Fort. Definitely, when we talked to police said that they are also collecting the CCTVs and also collecting the mobile recordings, so that they could identify and establish his role into it. But apart from Sidhu, there are many other people who are also the instigator. Their roles are also being checked by the Delhi police. Back to you.
Okay, so roles of others involved also being checked, but right now this is the video that we have accessed, and it's playing for our viewers to see and make out what things have happened there and how things have unfolded. Thanks for joining us, Alok, with the latest on this.